At Nooteboom, constant innovation is at the core of what we do. For 5 generations, we've been helping our customers move forward, not by resting on our laurels, but by constantly challenging ourselves and our methods. In a world where technological development is accelerating and industry demands are increasing, we have been proactive when it comes to maintaining and improving our production quality and efficiency. Welcome to Nooteboom Components, our brand new facility for fully automated parts production. Nooteboom Components is based on 4 basic objectives: to grow our production volume in the coming years, to reduce lead times, to further optimize and stabilize production quality, and to provide our employees with a comfortable and safe working environment. Our new parts production department operates following the quick response manufacturing method. This means we're moving further away from more traditional static planning to a dynamic process that enables us to respond immediately when demand changes. After a thorough assessment of our processes and of potential suppliers, we were ready to turn our vision into reality. Nooteboom Components is a highly automated production facility with state-of-the-art machinery. The software we use plays an equally important role. Our engineers can now determine the feasibility of a part at an earlier stage in the design process within seconds, and the transition from design to production has become extremely efficient. With this latest push to innovate and automate, we have already made significant gains in various areas. However, we're only at the beginning. Stay tuned for more updates. Nooteboom gets you there.